Litmanthan legend, eldest son of Sir Samson, and is surrounded by creditors and books.
Jeremy scolds his master. Your creditors are below, sir, and one of them is knocking hard enough to wake the dead.
Repayment now, or I'll expose you.
Careful, Trapland. We know your secrets.
Sir Samson offers to pay Valentine's debts, but only if Valentine signs away his inheritance to his sailor brother Ben. Desperate, Valentine signs the document surrendering his inheritance to his brother Ben. He immediately regrets it. Ben legend, Valentine's rough sailor brother, arrives from sea blunt, loud, and completely uninterested in his arranged marriage.
Miss Prue, an innocent country girl, is introduced to Ben as his intended bride.
Their meeting is a spectacular disaster. Tattle, the vain London fop, takes shocking liberties.
Obsess my chicks flutter of the fan.
Before Angelica and Valentine, Tattle cannot stop himself from revealing scandalous secrets about London ladies, then instantly regrets it. Angelica, wealthy, clever, and independent, refuses to declare her feelings for Valentine, determined to test his true character. Foresight, Angelica's uncle, is an obsessive astrologer who governs his household by horoscopes and star charts.
The stars warn against your venture, Foresight. They foretell disaster. A ruse by Saturn.
Mrs. Frail plots with Mrs. Foresight to trick Valentine into a marriage contract by exploiting his feigned madness.
I am mad! Stark, raving mad! No deeds this mad once, Valentine. Madness is my freedom, father!
My dear Angelica, consider my proposal.
Sir Samson, I shall consider it
With the greatest care. In a spectacular mix-up, Tattle and Mrs. Frail, each believing they are marrying someone else, are tricked into marrying each other. The theatrical madness is gone. Angelica, I speak to you now with raw honesty from my heart. This deed means nothing next to you, Angelica.
Valentine tears up the inheritance deed, choosing Angelica over.
I have always loved you, Valentine.
If you found this video helpful, follow Litmanthan for more videos on English language and literature. Thank you for watching.